Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. Up to now in my YouTube channel I had uploaded the videos which are related to the subject mathematics. Now in this video I will explain about the derivation of physics subject of Mirror's formulae which is related to the 10th standard. So please watch the video and please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So friends, for the Mirror's formulae we need to take a concave mirror. This is the concave mirror. This is the pole. This is focal point. This is center of curvature, and this is principal axis of the concave mirror. The distance between pole and focal point is called as focal length, which is denoted by small f. The distance between pole and center of curvature is called as radius of curvature. Now we need to take an object AB which is placed beyond center of curvature. Now an incident ray passes from the object AB and strikes the concave mirror at the point X, and it reflects back, which moves along the focal point, and the second incident ray will passes through the center of curvature and the reflected ray retraces its path. These are the rules of the light rays. Now an inverted image of AB is formed A dash B dash. The nature of the image is inverted. A dash B dash is the image of the object AB which is formed between focal point and center of curvature. Now coming to the derivation, from the ray diagram we can observe that triangle ABC and triangle A dash B dash C are similar with each other. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dash B dash C. So we know that the corresponding sides of the similar triangles will be proportional to each other. So we can write AB by A dash B dash, AB by A dash B dash is equals to AC by A dash C, AC by A dash C. This is equation 1. So if we observe under two triangles, they are P dash XF and A dash B dash F. These are the under two triangles which are similar with each other. So triangle P dash XF is similar to triangle A dash B dash F. So we know that the corresponding sides of the similar triangles will be proportional to each other. So we can write that P dash X by A dash B dash is equals to P dash F by A dash F. Now an important point, we need to concentrate on one important point, that is here xp dash is a perpendicular line which is drawn from the point X to the principal axis at P dash. This line is perpendicular to principal axis and this line meets the principal axis at the point P dash. This line is drawn from the X. So this is one perpendicular line and AB object is also one perpendicular line. As this incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, the distance between the perpendicular lines is equal at any point. So from this point we can write that P dash X is equals to AB. This we can write from that point. Now if we substitute this in this equation, in the place of P dash X we need to write AB. So AB by A dash B dash as it is equals to P dash F by A dash F as it is. P dash F by A dash F. This is equation 2. From 1 and 2 equations, from 1 and 2 equations, we can observe that AB by A dash B dash and AB by A dash B dash are same. The left hand side of the both equations are same, so we can equate the right hand sides of the both equations, so that we can write AC by A dash C. So we can write AC by A dash C is equals to, the right hand side of the second equation is P dash F by A dash F. Here if you observe that in the diagram P dash is similar to P dash is similar to P. So in the place of P dash we can write P. So if we modify the equation and we write AC by A dash C is equals to, in the place of P dash we can write P as P dash is similar to P. PF by A dash F. Now we got an particular equation. Now if you observe in the diagram, first AC. If you observe AC in the diagram, AC, we can write AC as PA minus PC. So we can write in the place of AC PA minus PC by, the next is A dash C. In the diagram, this is A dash C. We can write A dash C as PC minus PA dash. PC minus PA dash equal to, now next PF. If you observe PF in the diagram, PF we can write PF as it is, and if we observe A dash F in the diagram, this is the A dash F. A dash F we can write as PA dash minus PF. PA dash minus PF. Now PA, this is PA. PA is object distance. If you observe the diagram PA, it is the object distance. Object distance is denoted by U and image distance is denoted by V. So PA is object distance, so we can write U. According to the sign conventions, the object distance of the concave mirror is opposite to the direction of the incident ray, so the object distance will be negative, minus U. And here minus as it is PC. If you observe PC, it is also opposite to the incident ray, so it will be negative. PC is radius of curvature. We can write R. Here again PC is nothing but radius of curvature, which is denoted by R. We have to write R. It is opposite to the direction of incident ray, so it will be negative. And here minus as it is PA dash. PA dash is nothing but image distance. We can write minus V is equals to PF. PF is nothing but focal length minus F. PA dash is nothing but image distance minus V. We can write minus PF is again focal length minus F. Now minus U, minus into minus plus R by minus R, minus into minus plus V is equals to minus F by minus V, minus into minus plus F. Here we know one condition that R is equals to 2F, that is radius of curvature is equals to 2 times of focal length. We have one condition, so in the place of R we can write 2F. So we can write minus U plus 2F by minus 2F plus V is equals to minus F by minus V plus F. Now we need to cross multiply. Minus U plus 2F of minus V plus F is equals to minus 2F plus V of minus F. Now we have to multiply these on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. Now if we observe this, we need to multiply them on the both sides. First on the left hand side, minus u into minus v, minus into minus plus, plus uv, minus u into plus f, minus uf, plus 2f into minus v, minus 2fv, plus 2f into plus f, plus 2f square is equals to minus 2f into minus f, minus into minus plus, plus 2f square, plus v into minus f, minus fv. Now after multiplying, if you observe carefully, plus 2f and plus 2f will be cancelled on the both left hand side and right hand side. Now if we bring minus fv on the left hand side, it will become positive. It will become positive if we bring. Let us see, uv minus uf minus 2fv plus plus fv is equals to 0. This minus fv becomes positive if we bring on the left hand side. Now uv minus uf minus 2fv plus fv is minus fv is equals to 0. Now we got uv minus uf minus fv is equals to 0. Now we need to divide both sides by UVF. Now we need to divide both sides by UVF, but before dividing both sides by UVF, we need to take UV on the left hand side and this 2 we need to bring to the right hand side. It will become plus UVF plus FV. Now we need to divide by UVF on the both side. UV by UVF is equals to UF by UVF plus FV by UVF. Now UV gets cancelled, UF get cancelled, FV get cancelled. Now we will get 1 by F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. This is the mirror's formula. The reciprocal of the focal length equal to the reciprocal of the image distance plus the reciprocal of the object distance. Nothing but the reciprocal of the focal length is equal to the sum of the reciprocal of the image distance and reciprocal of the object distance. This is called as mirror's formula. I hope you had understood, and please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.